solubility increases with generally solubility of solid in water increases with rise in temperature, right? And different substances has different solubility in liquids, which changes with temperature. Right? Different substances have different solubility in liquids which changes with temperature, and mostly solubility of solids increases in water with increasing temperature. Right? Mostly solubility of solids increases in water with increase in temperature. Right? Potassium nitrate KNO3 at 20 degrees Celsius soluble is 31.6 gram. On increasing temperature, by increasing up to 60 degree Celsius, solubility becomes 108 gram. Right? This is we have. Now formula for getting solubility is equal to this is we have, and now we have formula for solubility is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solvent into 100. Right? into 100. This is we have formula for solubility, right? And if 12 gram of saturated solution of potassium chloride at 20 degrees Celsius when evaporated to dryness leaves a solid residue of 3 gram. 3 gram. So question number 1, saturated solution of potassium chloride KCl (12 gram) leaves a solid residue of 3 gram. So solubility, you can say solubility is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solvent into 100. So it becomes 3 gram upon 12 minus 3 into 100. It becomes 300 upon 9. So you get 33.3, right, gram. This is the solubility of potassium chloride at 20 degrees Celsius. ये जो saturated solution है, saturated solution of potassium chloride at 20 degrees Celsius. At 20 degrees Celsius leaves dryness, leaves a solid residue 3 gram on after heating, right? Water gets evaporated, that is solute get evaporated, that is 12 minus 3, so 9, and then we get 33.3 gram of solubility, right? This is we have about solubility. Then crystals are right? Crystal is a homogeneous solid of definite geometrical shape. A crystal is homogeneous solid of definite geometrical shape. What? Crystal
It is a homogeneous solid of a definite geometrical shape.
Crystal is
Homogeneous solid
homogeneous solid
of different or of definite
solid homogeneous solid of definite
geometrical shape.
Geometrical shape, right?
Yes, sir.
Crystal is a homogeneous solid of definite geometrical shape. It has symmetrical arrangement of smooth plane surfaces. It has symmetrically arranged smooth plane surfaces. It has symmetrically arranged smooth. It has symmetrically arranged arranged smooth plane surfaces. Smooth plane surfaces which meet forming sharp edges. Right? This is, we have a crystal. Like crystals are like this. They can be like this, and this shape. They can be cuboidal. Right? Crystals can be cuboidal. This is triangular, pyramidal, right? They can cylindrical like this also.
So crystal can be it can be any geometrical shape.
Yeah. This is where triangular prism, pyramidal prism, and this is cuboidal. So these are crystals, right? This is, we have crystals.